No.
He's not an asshole. Keep the ass half.
Like
No. No, no, no.
I saw somebody in my building yesterday.
No.
I saw USPS deliver the mail. So what
No.
the mail's being put into the boxes. I see it all the time.
Government ordinance destruction,
Oh, your building's unsafe. Oh my gosh, shut the fuck up.
aka
Los Angeles is unsafe.
government ordinarily demons. Project God proof.
I'm not saying that my building is. I mean, I don't. Where I live is. I live in a penthouse, so I don't deal with all of that.
Oh my
I know my
God.
building is Section 8. I know that, but I don't.
DTLA.
I live in a penthouse. I don't. It's
And
not safe to get to my.
It's wild out here. Look out.
For your safety and the safety of others, please remain behind the yellow safety line.